Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to create custom reports in Google Analytics 4. These reports can help you to find more metrics and dimensions which can help you to analyze or grow your website traffic and conversions. So first of all, you have to log in your Google Analytics account, select your account and property, and then click on explore from this menu. And here are few inbuilt reports, but we will create from a blank report so you can understand how we can create custom reports. So here you can see a table chart. Let's add some dimension and metrics. Suppose country and metrics. Let's make one matrix only for now. Sessions, you can add multiple metrics and dimensions according to your requirement. So there are three fields where we can add our dimensions and metrics: row, column and values. In value we always add metrics. If you double click it, or if you click on here, or you can drag, so there are three methods you can add these metrics and dimensions. So here we will add country. So you can see in the row we are using country, and in the value we are using sessions. So here are few graphs you can create. This is a donut chart, line chart, scatter plot, bar chart, and geo chart as well. If you add geo chart, it will increase the dimensions according to the requirement. So it's added some by default dimensions. Let's start from the table. Remove these dimensions we don't need right now. So here you can see now we will use column. So what we add in column, we can make some further separation by using this column. Let's see how we can do this, then you will understand very well. Let's add one more dimension, device category, and double click here. So if you double click, it goes there. Okay, so here we can add manually device category. So here you can see desktop, mobile, tab totals, tablets I don't have, that's why it's not showing. 1650. Now we will see another option. Another option is bar cell type. So it by default shows bar chart. We can make it plain text, or we can make it heat map. If color is darker, that means the higher the value. So it's easy to understand all this. Now we can create filter. Suppose you want device category, suppose contains desktop, and apply. So you will see only desktop. So you can use filter or any other filter. Suppose you want to use filter on matrix, you can say greater than 10, apply, and you can see. And one more filter you can add, that's for example not set is not useful for the report. You can use country, and then select contains, and here you can see no, you can write not set and apply. So okay, what I did wrong, so I need to use not contain, right? So here we can see the good report. If you want to add bounce rate or conversion rate, you can add here more metrics. To understand this, we are using only simple few metrics and dimensions. Now let's see how we can use segment. Click here. You can use inbuilt segment, or you can create one. Suppose I want to create segment on the basis of country, and here you can add contains. So let's suppose India and apply. So it will, show you here the exact number. If you want to add more, you can add age group, device category we can use to understand. It's just for the understanding. So here you can use suppose desktop and apply, and it will again reflect here, and then you can click and simply you can see, and we haven't given any name, so we have to give a name. We can say here country device filter segment, right? And apply. Here you can see sometimes it provides some data, so don't worry about that. Maybe we are using or and, so we can check again. If it still is showing, that means some issue from Google Analytics side. So this is how you can use all the options. You can choose date as well, and I think we cover all the topics here. One more topic is this: if you want to create different type reports, suppose path exploration, you can click it. It will provide some you know uh, predefined category, and we can say dimensions and metrics. It will add it. If you click here, it will show further. It's based on event name. If you want to make it based on title, you can make it on title. If you click here, it will explore further that 61 sessions came, and then they landed on this title. It's a home page, I guess, and then go to contact us page, and after that they again go to home page. So you can understand the user journey or user behavior using this. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box.